Alright guys, today we're going to take a look at the X150. A big shout out goes to John Cuppi who sent this to me, because John is such a great dude. I really like the looks of this thing, so I'm going to open it up. He already messed around with it, you know, did his review and everything on there. But I have it plopped back in here. I'm going to take it out and show it to you. I got the red one. Just like my Mavic Air, I did get the red one. That'll be here today. There's the quadcopter. Here's the battery. It's one of those proprietary batteries. Goes in that way there with the plug up. Got a nice little camera on it that's adjustable. You can see here, you can tilt the camera. That's pretty cool. And it's got a 90-degree field of view. You know, XK, they make good quadcopters, so I don't think... I've had a few of them. I don't think I've had any turds. To my knowledge. The X150, it was just a little, you know, I gave that to Neil. He won that giveaway. That was just like a little beat around the house quadcopter, you know. Here's the charger. Here, it's a, you know, one of those proprietary chargers that goes with that proprietary battery. Here's the transmitter. Then they give you the prop guards, which are very light on this thing. They're very thin, so you probably wouldn't... And they make like the Bebop, you know, like a halo. That's what they look like. I'm not going to open them, but that's the effect that you'll see on there. It shows it on the picture on the box. So it's going to basically put like a halo around the quadcopter. But they're very light, so I don't think that they would... I don't think they would affect the battery life that much, because they weigh nothing. I don't have my scale, it's in the closet, but I can tell you that they weigh... The bag weighs more than the prop guards. You know, spare props and the old screwdriver deal. And you get the phone holder. And the app you want to use, it's called XK Innovations. That's the app you want to use, okay? It'll say XK Innovations. They have a couple other ones. They actually have an app that looks like it has this picture of this on it, but you don't use that one. Use the one that says XK Innovations. That's the app you want to use. I don't see a QR code in here. There's one on the box, but I think I scanned that. And that's not for what it is. That's not for the app. It's for something on the XK website, and I think it's in Chinese too. The part that it gets that you get sent to. So it's not that. It's just the XK Innovations one. The transmitter is actually looks just like the X250, but it has the phone holder on it. But without the phone holder, it looked just like that one. You know, it just has your normal stuff on here. You press this in for flips. John has it marked for me. Photo and video, short press, long press, and take off over here, you know, and then you do your typical, you know, down and out or down and in for the compass calibration and all that. You know, it's not hard stuff, easy stuff. Since it was still snowing here yesterday and the weather here is terrible, I'm not going to be able to take it out and fly it, but I am going to take it up in that apartment. Spin it around in the apartment for a couple of minutes, just so you can hear what the motors sound like if it's loud, or, you know, check a couple flips out, do some stuff like that, and check the video quality. So we'll at least do that. But I'm not going to be able to get it outside. It's snowing here. It's windy as hell. It's just terrible. So, all right, guys. I'm going to add the other part on the end of this, so I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, now we got it. The wind is really strong right now, coming from that way, and that's why the quadcopter is flying that way. Well, we'll try to get some video for you. I want to see if the video's still recording. Yeah, it's still recording. There's the yaw speed. Does nice flips. There's the punch out speed there. It is not good in the wind. John told me that it wasn't, so. Doesn't seem to like the wind, but it flies pretty nice. I'm sure if there was no wind at all, it'd fly great. All right, boys, I'm gonna bring it in. It's freaking cold out here, shit. I just wanted to add a little flight onto the end of that bench video, so. Yes, it's very unruly in the wind. Cuppi was, he was dead on about that. I'm trying to get it to kill the motors, but I can't, so we'll just kill the quadcopter. All right, boys. There you go, the X150. I'm sure it flew okay. I'm sure once the conditions aren't windy like this, I'm sure that it'll fly better. I think it's a pretty decent quad. Thanks to John for that. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.